Welcome to a journey that will take you through the vibrant colors, intoxicating aromas, and rich culture of Mexico. This land is a breathtaking symphony of visual and sensory delights that will captivate your senses at every turn. With a history that stretches back thousands of years, Mexico showcases a vibrant tapestry of cultures, traditions, and people. Its diversity is reflected not just in its people, but in every aspect of its tapestry. The country's geography, a mesmerizing blend of seaside panoramas, majestic mountains, arid deserts, and lush rainforests, has shaped its cultural landscape. The glorious Yucatan Peninsula with its sun-drenched beaches, crystal waters, and remnants of Mayan civilization is a testament to this fact. The Sierra Madre, on the other hand, with its towering snow-capped peaks, offers a stark contrast in sceneries reflecting the incredible geographical diversity that Mexico takes pride in, the visual grandeur. Mexico's culture is a melting pot of indigenous and colonial influences, the remnants of which are evident in its spirited festivities. From the colorful Day of the Dead celebrations to the vibrant Cinco de Mayo revelry, each festival is a manifestation of its rich heritage, preserving ancient traditions while embracing modernity. The gastronomic diversity of Mexico is another aspect that demands your attention. Mexican cuisine, known globally for its fiery flavors and unique combinations, offers much more than the stereotypical tacos and tequila. Explore the culinary landscape and you'll find a variety of dishes that have evolved over centuries, influenced by Mayan, Aztec, and Spanish cuisines. The history of Mexico is equally fascinating. The ancient Mayan civilization, one of the most advanced of its time, has left indelible imprints on Mexico's cultural fabric, from its architecture, language, to its religious practices. The Spanish conquest, while tumultuous, has profoundly influenced the country's culture, blending seamlessly with indigenous traditions and shaping Mexico as we know it today. With such a diverse cultural, historical, and geographical landscape, it's no surprise that Mexico is a treasure trove of fascinating places that capture the essence of this vibrant nation. From archaeological wonders, stunning beaches, charming colonial towns, bustling cities, to gastronomic hotspots, the country offers something for every traveler. In the heart of Mexico lies its vibrant capital city, Mexico City, an intriguing blend of ancient and modern. With its sprawling plazas, grand cathedrals, world-class museums, and bustling markets, it's a city that encapsulates the spirit of Mexico. The ancient city of Teotihuacan, the picturesque town of Guanajuato, the tranquil beaches of Tulum, and the vibrant nightlife of Cancun, just a glimpse of what awaits you in this fascinating country. And now, we're about to dive into an exciting countdown, revealing the top 20 must-visit places that capture the essence of this vibrant nation. So, buckle up as we embark on this thrilling journey, unveiling the top 20 must-visit places in Mexico. Starting our countdown at number 20, we have the enigmatic Tulum. A city that rests in the heart of the Yucatan Peninsula, it is a destination like no other. A hidden gem of the Riviera Maya, Tulum is a piece of paradise that is just waiting to be discovered. It's here where the enchanting landscape of Mexico's Caribbean coastline merges with the remarkable remnants of a grand civilization that once was. Imagine for a moment a place where towering ancient Mayan ruins stand tall against the backdrop of azure Caribbean seas. The majesty of these ruins, the incredible El Castillo particularly, is a sight to behold. These are the vestiges of an ancient civilization, signs of a powerful empire that ruled vast territories from this very location. The beautiful stone structures, weather-beaten and worn by the passage of time, are a testament to the architectural prowess of the Mayans. They paint a picture of a time long gone, a time of grandeur and prosperity. Now picture pristine beaches, with their soft white sand that feels like powdered sugar beneath your toes. These beaches are a paradise within a paradise, offering breathtaking views of the turquoise Caribbean Sea. The water, so clear that you can see straight to the bottom, is always warm and inviting. The soft breeze, the whistling of the palm trees, the occasional pelican soaring across the sky. Everything about Tulum's beaches is enchanting, and it doesn't stop there. Tulum isn't just about ancient ruins and beautiful beaches, it's a hub of activity and fun. It's a place where the pace of life slows down during the day and picks up as soon as the sun sets. The nightlife in Tulum is as buzzing as it is diverse. It offers a spectrum of experiences, from laid-back beachside bars where you can sip on a margarita while listening to live music, to flamboyant fiestas that go on until the break of dawn. The music, oh the music, it's everywhere in Tulum. From traditional mariachi bands playing in the city center to modern DJs spinning their mixes at the beach clubs, the rhythm of Tulum is ever-present and ever-changing. The laughter, the joy, the camaraderie. This is a city that knows how to celebrate life. Foodies will also find their paradise in Tulum. The local gastronomy is a blend of traditional Mexican cuisine with a modern twist. Tacos, ceviches, guacamole bite is an explosion of flavors. The fresh seafood, caught daily by local fishermen, is a must-try. And don't forget about the local markets, where you can find a vast array of artisanal products and delicious street food. And let's not forget about the yoga retreats, the cenotes, the lush jungle landscapes, the eco-friendly boutique hotels. There's just so much to see and do. Tulum is a place full of magic and mystery, where every corner holds a surprise. It's a city that has everything: beauty, history, fun, and an undeniable charm. Tulum is a perfect blend of history, beauty, and fun. A place that certainly deserves a spot on your travel list. Moving on to number 19, we find ourselves immersed in the breathtaking beauty of the city of Guanajuato. This city, unlike any other, is a kaleidoscope of color that unfolds before your eyes in a stunning display. Each corner turned unravels a new scene of brightly painted buildings that line the serpentine cobblestone streets, creating a maze of color that's a feast for the senses. The vibrancy doesn't stop at the cityscape. It permeates through the very soul of the city, reflecting in the warmth and passion of its people. The hues are a testament to the city's infectious spirit, encapsulating the vivacious energy and zest for life that is emblematic of its residents. The palette of colors used to paint the town is not by accident, but a conscious choice by the citizens of Guanajuato, a reflection of their lively and vibrant personalities. Each color is symbolic. Each hue tells a story, each shade, a chapter in the city's rich history. But the charm of Guanajuato extends beyond its vibrant facade. The city's intricate network of underground tunnels, once river channels, now serve as a unique roadway system that adds yet another layer to its allure. These tunnels, a relic from the city's historic past, have been transformed into arteries that pump life into the heart of the city. They are a testament to the city's ingenious urban planning, seamlessly integrating the old with the new. The city is also home to the famed Mummy Museum, a unique feature that sets it apart from its counterparts. Here, one can witness the naturally mummified bodies that have been preserved over centuries, a testament to the city's rich cultural history. The Mummy Museum provides a chilling yet insight into the city's past, showcasing a macabre collection that is as much a part of Guanajuato's identity as its colorful buildings. The vibrancy of Guanajuato is a celebration of life and culture, a testament to its rich history and the resilience of its people. The city's allure lies not only in its colorful charm, but also in its ability to preserve its history while embracing the future. From the cobblestone streets to the underground tunnels, from the Mummy Museum to the lively markets, every aspect of Guanajuato is a story waiting to be experienced. In Guanajuato is a sensory overload, a riot of color, culture, and history that leaves you spellbound. The city, with its juxtaposition of the old and the new, the traditional and the modern, the natural and the man-made, leaves you in a state of awe, constantly discovering and rediscovering its beauty. Guanajuato, with its colorful charm and rich history, is undoubtedly a must-visit. Finally, we've reached our number one spot, the vibrant and dynamic Mexico City. A city that never sleeps, it buzzes with energy, pulsating with a rhythm that is both intoxicating and invigorating. Boasting a population of over 21 million people, Mexico City is a sprawling metropolis, teeming with life and bursting with excitement. Dive into the heart of Mexico City and you'll find a city that's a vibrant montage of history, culture, and awe-inspiring flavors. This is a city where the old and the new, the traditional and the modern, the familiar and the exotic, coexist in a beautiful harmony. It's a place where centuries-old Aztec temples stand tall amidst gleaming skyscrapers, where traditional mariachi music can be heard alongside booming electronic beats, and where mouth-watering street food is served alongside gourmet cuisine. Founded in the 14th century by the Aztecs, Mexico City has a history that is as exciting as it is varied. At the city's heart is the Zocalo, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Walking through the Zocalo is like stepping back in time, with its magnificent colonial-era architecture, picturesque cobblestone streets, and the soothing of history hanging in the air. But don't be fooled. Mexico City is far from being stuck in the past. It's a city that embraces its history, yes, but one that also looks to the future. A city made up of diverse cultures and experiences, Mexico City is a tapestry of different neighborhoods, each with its own distinctive character. From the hip and trendy Condesa and Roma with their vibrant nightlife and contemporary art scenes to the bohemian Coyoacan, the birthplace of iconic artist Frida Kahlo, there's a corner of Mexico City that's sure to captivate every kind of traveler. Food is at the heart of the city's allure. Mexico City is a foodie's dream come true, with a street food scene that rivals any in the world. You can't walk a block without being tempted by the tantalizing aromas of tacos al pastor, tamales, and churros being hawked by street vendors. And when you want to dive deeper into the local food culture, there's no place like the bustling markets, like the La Merced Market, where you can immerse yourself in a sensory overload of sights, sounds, and smells. But a trip to Mexico City isn't just about indulging in its rich culinary scene, it's also about exploring its many historical artifacts. The Teotihuacan pyramids, located just outside the city, are a must-visit. These ancient structures are a testament to the ingeniousness and skills of Mexico's ancient civilizations. Standing at the foot of these towering pyramids, one can't help but feel a sense of awe and wonder. A profound connection to a past continues to shape the present. Mexico City, a city that perfectly encapsulates the spirit and culture of Mexico, is our top pick for places you must visit in Mexico. It is a city where the past, present, and future merge to form a destination that is as dynamic as it is timeless, as vibrant as it is profound. And that is why it has earned our #1 spot. Finally, no visit to Mexico City would be complete without a trip to the awe-inspiring Teotihuacan pyramids. These ancient structures, located just outside the city, are a testament to the ingenuity and skill of Mexico's ancient civilizations. Mexico City, a city that perfectly encapsulates the spirit and culture of Mexico, is our top pick for places you must visit in Mexico. And there you have it, the top 20 places you must visit in Mexico. What makes these spots truly fascinating is the deep-rooted culture and the immersive experiences they offer. It's not just about the physical beauty of these places, it's about the stories they tell, the lives they've shaped, and the memories they've created. Firstly, we have the enigmatic beauty of Tulum, a place where ancient Mayan ruins stand as a testament to a civilization that once was. Imagine walking on the same ground where ancient Mayans lived, worked, and worshipped, the intricately carved stelae and the imposing castillo perched on the edge of a cliff overlooking the stunning Caribbean Sea. Next on the list is the vibrant city of Guanajuato. Known for its colorful buildings and narrow, winding streets, it's like stepping into a painting. Feel the cobblestones under your feet as you traverse through the alleys, each turn bringing a splash of color and a dose of history. Guanajuato is also known for its underground tunnels, a unique infrastructure that adds an air of mystery to the city. Then we have the pulsating heart of Mexico, Mexico City. Bustling with life and brimming with culture, this city is a thrilling blend of the old and the new. Home to ancient Aztec ruins, grand Spanish colonial buildings, and sleek modern architecture, it's a city constantly evolving while staying true to its roots. It's not just about these three, there are 17 more fascinating destinations in our list. Each of them, whether it's the serene beaches of Cancun, the remarkable biodiversity of Ciencaán Biosphere Reserve, or the historical richness of Chichen Itza, offers a unique blend of culture, history, and natural beauty that's hard to resist. These 20 locations encapsulate the spirit and diversity of Mexico, a country steeped in rich traditions and breathtaking landscapes. Imagine standing amidst the ancient Mayan ruins of Tulum, feeling the energy that still resonates from centuries ago. Visualize strolling through the colorful streets of Guanajuato, each corner revealing a new surprise. Picture getting lost in the bustling avenues of Mexico City, where every street has a story to tell. Each experience is a story waiting to be lived, a memory waiting to be made. With such a diverse range of destinations, it's no wonder Mexico continues to draw travelers from all corners of the globe. So why not make it your next adventure? Mexico is not just about beautiful destinations, it's about the journey, the experiences, the gastronomy, and the people. Get ready to immerse yourself in the vibrant culture, tantalizing cuisine, and warm hospitality that Mexico has to offer. Mexico's food is a truly unique blend of flavors, with each region having its own distinct cuisine. From the spicy seafood of Veracruz to the hearty stews of Oaxaca and the sweet treats of Puebla, Mexico's culinary scene is as diverse as its landscape. Pair it with a sip of authentic mezcal or tequila, and your palate is in for a treat. The people of Mexico are known for their warm hospitality, They're always ready to share stories, share a meal, and guide you through their hometowns. They are the heart and soul of the country, and they make the experience truly unforgettable. So when are you packing your bags for an unforgettable Mexican sojourn? Until next time, adios.